I'm Shan from Tom's the Baker, and this is Emmy, and today we are showing you how to make Yorkshire puddings using strong white bread flour. So we know that people have been having trouble trying to get hold of normal flour, and if you're missing out on your Yorkshire puddings because of this, well, that's a real shame. So we wanted to show you how you can use strong white bread flour for this. We're currently selling this in our stores, and a lot of other local bakeries will be too, so it's easier to get hold of than plain flour from the supermarkets at the moment. So today I'm going to take you through the recipe, how to use this in your Yorkshire puddings and get the perfect fluffy Yorkshire pudding, crisp on the outside, fluffy on the inside, and I've got a little helper. The first thing we need is 175 grams of your strong white bread flour. Then 300 ml of full fat milk. And 4 eggs. This recipe should make enough for 6 people to have Yorkshire puddings, or if you're like our family, it'll make enough for 3 people. And the last thing is a bit of seasoning, so you want a good bit of black pepper and just a bit of salt. Now today we're going to use our good old trusty Kenwood mixer to mix this up, but you can just do this by hand with a whisk as well. You just want it to all come together, don't over mix it, and it just wants to be the consistency of double cream. So as you can see, this is about the consistency of double cream now. You don't want to over whisk this because it'll overactivate the gluten. And because of this, we need to leave it to rest a bit longer to let the gluten relax so you'll get a better rise. So we're going to leave it for about an hour and then we're going to pop it into the oven. So we heated up our oven to 190 fan or just 200 in a normal oven, gas mark 6. We let that come up to temperature, then we popped in our Yorkshire pudding tin with just a drizzle of rapeseed oil in the bottom. You could use lard or beef dripping if you want to go really, really flavourful on Yorkshire puddings. And now the oil's come up to smoking point, we're going to get that out and pour our batter, which we've had in the fridge resting for just over an hour now. Now you want to be quite quick with this part and be very careful because the oil will be hot, like I said, it's smoking. So don't worry if you make a little bit of mess at this point. You just want to pour these to probably just below halfway in the tins. And if you've got a bit left over, you can top up the rest or save it for some more Yorkshire puddings later. Half an hour later and our Yorkshire puddings are now a beautiful golden brown and they've risen up, they've like tripled in size, so it's time to get them out. And there you have it, we've got 12 beautiful, well risen Yorkshire puddings that are crispy on the outside, they'll be soft and fluffy in the middle. So these we have actually made in advance for our Sunday lunch tomorrow. So all you need is a roast dinner to go with this, a bit of roast beef or chicken or pork, and some good roast potatoes on the side and your veg, and of course some gravy. This is also a great recipe for freezing Yorkshire pudding, so you can make them in a big batch, pop them into a freezer bag, and just be careful not to crush them in the freezer. Then all you need to do is take them out into a hot oven for sort of 5-10 minutes to warm up, and they'll be beautiful alongside your Sunday roast anytime.